Hello flawless people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you how to do classic lash extensions on a mannequin head. This is just training, it's just a simple late night video. I just want to say thank you so much for all the love, the comments, the views, the subscribers. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the love and all of the feedback. And yeah, I just want to do a quick little tutorial. I'm not going to do much talking, but I will let you guys know I do want to host a lash extensions training class in Dallas, Texas. I do want you guys to comment down below if you're interested. A lot of girls want to meet me. A lot of you guys have taken my virtual training. So I really want to meet you guys. I really want to do a big class and give you all the tips and tricks. So yeah, if you're interested, please comment down below. Please also comment down below what type of videos you would like to see. Please email me if you are interested in virtual lash extensions training. Please send me an email. I have so many emails, so many trainings that I'm doing. So please bear with me, and thank you ladies and gents for your patience and for the love and support. I just can't believe how much love I've been getting on my channel. I'm so humble and I'm so thankful and I'm so grateful. But yeah, this is just a quick little fast tutorial. I just wanted to do something where if you're practicing, if you're training, you're working at home, you're trying to figure out how to start out doing lashes, how to practice. This is just a quick little tutorial. I have more videos coming soon. I have so much content for you guys. I have a lot of collaborations with brands. So please just stay tuned, bear with me, and thank you for your patience. I hope you have a wonderful day, and yeah, just enjoy the video. One last thing, sorry guys, I just wanted to let you know that the products I'm using are from T-Dance Lash Company. They're an online Instagram company, lash extensions company. Really, I'm using 19 millimeters, which is 19 millimeters is how long of the lash extensions I'm using, so that's how long they are, and they're 0.15 in diameter, which means that's how thick they are. So yeah, I'm using 19 millimeters long, 0.15 in thickness, and yeah, just using an iPad, practice lashes, and some isolation tweezers and volume tweezers. I like to use both of them. I have a glue cup and just a little bit of glue. Please bear with me on the glue, guys. Literally, the glue is kind of thick. I didn't really shake it up, but you know, it is what it is. I know somebody's gonna critique, but as long as you just dab the glue off a little bit and then place it on there, you're good to go. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you so much. Love you guys. Bye.